Clear? Now this problem also belongs to the evaluation problem. Now we are going to find double integral of S this using the divergence theorem. That means what? Finding the triple integration V. Obviously, evaluating of double integral S means what? We need to find the triple integration V. We need to find the triple integration V and find that value. That value is the answer of this double integration S. But see the question, apply divergence theorem. Okay, to evaluate double integral S, which is not of the proper form, that means what? We don't have any F bar. We need to find by using this F bar. Okay, where this S is the surface. That surface means what? Closed surface. Closed surface of the sphere. Already we have the sphere equation is there. X square plus y square plus z square equals to 4. That means what? The surface is enclosing with the sphere equation and the radius equals to 2. Is it clear? Now we are going to find the solution here. See, what is the given here? This is the given. Given double integral S x plus z dy dz plus y plus z dz dx plus x plus y dx dy, which is of the form where double integral S f1 dy dz plus f2 dz dx plus f3 dx dy. Clear? Now comparing the both equations, we get what we get here. F1 dy dz coefficient, dy dz coefficient is x plus z. Here x plus z. F2. Here F2 is dz dx coefficient. dz dx coefficient is y plus z. And finally F3 is remaining. We have x plus y is the coefficient of dx dy. Therefore, F bar is the vector point function. What is the vector point function? Tell me. F bar equals to F1 I cap plus F2 j cap plus F3 k cap. So that F bar equals to, substitute F1, F2, F3 respectively. Then x plus z I cap plus F2 y plus z j cap plus F3 x plus y k cap. See, this is a required vector point function of the given problem. Say this is equation number 1. Now we are going to evaluating of double integral. Okay, by Gauss. By Gauss divergence theorem. Double integral S f bar dot n cap ds. So that is equals to triple integration of V divergent f bar dv. Say this is star equation. This is the Gauss divergent theorem. Okay, in this, the given problem is the evaluate problem. So that find this triple integration value. For that purpose, we are going to take the one case. That case is to find triple integration of V divergent f bar dv. So that we are going to find first of all divergent f bar. Divergent f bar equals to del dot f bar. Del is I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z dot f bar. F bar is the given function here. This is x plus z I cap plus y plus z j cap plus x plus y k cap Dot product of two vector point function gives the scalar. See here, dou by dou x of x plus z plus dou by dou y of here j cap dot j cap is 1, y plus z plus dou by dou z of k cap dot k cap is 1, x plus y. Now we are going to differentiating partially. Dou by dou x of x is 1 plus dou by dou x of z is 0 plus dou by dou y of y is the 1 plus dou by dou y of z is the 0 plus dou by dou z of x plus y. X plus y both are the constants. Constant derivative is a 0. Then I am getting divergent of f bar equals to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now substitute this divergent in the given triple integration V. Now triple integration V divergent f bar dv. So that is equals to triple integration of V divergent f bar is the 2 into dv. If we take an outside 2, we get triple integration V dv. What is the solution? Solution of triple integration of V. What is the answer here? V. But where V is the volume of which one? Sphere. Enclosing with the sphere. So that we are going to take the volume of the sphere. Already we have the sphere equation is there. So that equation is x square plus y square plus z square equals to 4. Now sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square equals to 4 can be written as 2 square. Then what is r value here? R value equals to 2. Okay, this I am going to write again, simplify. Triple integration of V divergent f bar dv. So that is equals to 2 into V is the volume of the sphere. Then what is the formula of volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 into pi r cube. R equals to what here? 2. 2 cube. Just substitute r value. 2 into 4, 8. 8 by 3, pi into 2 equals, r equals to 2. 2 cube means 8. So that value is what here? 64 pi by 3. The triple integration divergent f bar dv value is 64 by 3. Hence, by equation start, the double integral s f bar start in s, that is equals to, who's that? Mute your cars. Double integration yes f bar dot n cap ds. So that is equals to 64 pi by 3. Right? Using the star equation. Since by star equation. Hence the Gauss divergence theorem. Hence the double integration. Thank you, Ma.